Assalamu alaikum, dear all. We have already uploaded two videos on popular literature, part 1 and part 2, in which we discuss the general ideas of culture, civilization, cultures, popular culture, and popular literature. Today, in this part 3, we will precisely talk about the various genres of popular literature. But make sure to watch the video till end. So, let's begin today's session. Genres of popular literature. One of the earliest genres of popular literature was romance. You all know what romance is. Romance is a love story where two people overcome adversity to obtain happily ever after. Kitchen-maid romances, often written by women, were not considered serious enough. The second genre that found much favor with the populace was the fantasy. Children's literature, the most famous story being Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, is also considered as a representative fantasy. The other being science fiction. Isaac Asimov remains the master storyteller of these stories of scientific adventures that make believe kingdoms. In America, it was the cowboy cult stories, the westerns, set in the frontier, which were hugely popular with the masses. These were tales of travel, power, male valor, and discovery. In the late 19th century, the murder, crime stories, or mysterious stories and spy fiction rise with popularity. With the detective in the center, mysterious created world famous characters such as Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle, Agatha Christie, one of the best-selling authors. You have already read Agatha Christie's mystery novel in sixth semester. The title of that novel is Yes, and Then There Were None. The other famous works of this Agatha Christie's are Murder on the Orient Express, Midsummer Mysteries, Death on the Nile, Mysterious Affair, and many more. Agatha Christie continues to remain the queen of crime till today. In India, Satyajit Ray created his own magic with Feluda stories. Feluda are the fictional Bengali stories. Satyajit Ray was very much inspired by the character of Sherlock Holmes. The spy fiction as a genre was born with Fanny Moore Cooper, but further became popular with the creation of the figure of James Bond by Ian Fleming in 20th century. In recent times, popular literature has embraced a variety of interesting new forms of writing, such as comic books, cartoon strips, terribly tiny tales, graphic novels, etc., which feed on mythology, folk legends, fables, and myths of the time. It is true that popular literature as commodity literature is dependent upon the free enterprise marketplace, and other such literature cannot be stopped from attaining marketplace success. Such literature is denied to university classrooms and libraries because the notion floated by elitist critics is that the art form preferred by a majority of people cannot be admirable and worthy of receiving serious attention and cannot be admitted into academia. In many ways, these so-called guardians of good taste ghettoized certain writers even before reading their works. Even librarians ghetto stack these books as juveniles, teenage fiction, or relegate some to a super ghetto called pornography. Such books are never even thought to be considered for any major prize, bemoans a bitter Fiedler. Fiedler calls this an untouchable category. But today, the borders that divide the pop from the elite are merging. The discussion on the genres of popular literature will be continued. In the next part, we will discuss the commercial, popular campus fiction and the role of media in making literature popular. Thank you so much, but please like and subscribe to our channel.